Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Affinity Publisher to Google Sheets. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we can see we insert a document with some pages, text and shapes. Now we want to convert this document to a Google Sheet document. Firstly, go to the File menu and click the Export option. Then set the type is PDF and click Export option. Then write your file name and click Save. Then wait some moment to exporting the file. Then go to our file location and click right button to this file and open with this file Adobe Acrobat. Then go to the file menu and click Export to option and choose the spreadsheet. Now I am choose Microsoft Excel workbook. Then choose our file location and save this file and wait some moment to exporting the file. Then close the Excel. Then go to our Google Chrome and open the Google Sheets software. And click the three dots, go to the drive option and upload the file and open it. Click the new option and click file upload. Then choose the Excel file and click open. And we can see here the Excel file. Then we click the file and we can see here opening in Google Sheets automatically. Now we can see we convert the Affinity Publisher to Google Sheets document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.